Hey, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing a flip through of a travel adventure from a couple years ago, using the Cocoa Daisy Wander collection and the Cocoa Daisy Travel bonus kit. So this is all from one day, and I felt like it would be really fun to make it its own little mini album. So I used one of the cards from the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit, and this acts as like the title page for the album, gives a little bit of information of where we were. I should probably put Australia here because I don't have anywhere where I'm saying where exactly we were, other than Phillip Island. All right, on the back of the card, I have the map of Phillip Island and just sort of a kind of overview of like getting to Phillip Island. And I have printed most of my journaling from my printer using my computer. Behind this journaling, I did do a little bit of Distress Oxide. But yeah, I might add something up here, although I actually kind of like it as is, and I may just leave it. And I did a pocket page. Most of these are pocket pages, which is why I'm attempting to film in like natural light because of the clear pockets. But yeah, just kind of a mix of things. It's a pretty simple album. I didn't go too wild with decoration, but I just really, I love how it turned out. This trip was such a fun trip, and this memory of this day was really, it was kind of a magical day. We really did get like all the way around the island and went hiking and onto the beach, and just some really neat memories of the day. To finish up the mini book, or at least this part of the mini book, I have this Life is a Journey, Make the Best of It as a sort of divider. I do plan on adding more from this trip in this album. But yeah, this was just sort of like the kickstart of it. And this album is from Citrus Twist, and a lot of these pocket pages are from Citrus Twist as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick flip through of my travel mini album using the Cocoa Daisy Wander collection and the bonus travel kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!